Looking for the best mini blender for fast smoothies that can keep up with your busy lifestyle? Whether you're a smoothie lover, a health enthusiast, or just someone who needs quick and easy meal prep, finding the right blender makes all the difference. The best mini blender for fast smoothies offers powerful performance in a compact design, so you can blend your favorite fruits, veggies, and more in seconds without taking up too much space. With the convenience of portability and the ability to make delicious, nutritious drinks quickly, the best mini blender for fast smoothies is a must-have kitchen tool for anyone on the go. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the top mini blenders that deliver fast, efficient blending so you can enjoy fresh smoothies anytime, anywhere. Let's get started. Number 7. Koblenz Mix and Go Portable Blender. The Koblenz Mix and Go Portable Blender is a smart pick for quick smoothies on the move. Its compact size fits easily in any kitchen, office, or travel bag. With a powerful motor, it handles fruits, veggies, and even light ice blending with ease. Whether it's a milkshake, protein shake, or fresh juice, this blender delivers fast, smooth results. Designed for busy lifestyles, it's perfect for single servings and post-workout nutrition. Operation is simple, just press and blend. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. No need to worry about counter space, it's compact and efficient. Ideal for students, commuters, or anyone who needs a reliable, no-hassle blender. The sleek black design fits modern aesthetics and blends well with any kitchen decor. Affordable, portable, and energy efficient, the Koblenz Mix and Go is a great companion for healthy living. Stay refreshed and energized wherever you are with this blender by your side. Number 6. Ninja Fit Compact Blender. If you're looking for speed and simplicity, the Ninja Fit Compact Blender has you covered. Powered by a 700-watt motor, it blends smoothies, shakes, and even frozen fruits in just seconds. Its compact build is ideal for tight kitchen spaces or office desks. It comes with two 16-ounce cups and spout lids, perfect for quick, on-the-go nutrition. No complicated settings, just press and blend. The powerful blades crush ice and tough ingredients easily, delivering smooth, creamy results every time. Great for busy mornings, pre-workout drinks, or healthy snacks throughout the day. Cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe parts. The compact design saves counter space without compromising on power. Whether you're meal prepping or blending a protein shake after the gym, Ninja Fit makes it quick and easy. For those who want convenience, performance, and portability in one package, this blender gets the job done. A go-to for smoothie fans everywhere. Number 5. Beast Mighty 850 Plus Blender. The Beast Mighty 850 Plus is the perfect blend of power and portability. Its 850-watt motor tackles ice and frozen fruits like a pro, creating smoothies, shakes, and sauces in seconds. With an extra-large vessel, plus extra lids and straws, this blender is ready for any task. The sleek lilac color adds a stylish edge to your countertop. Compact yet durable, it's great for small kitchens, dorms, or office spaces. It's not just for smoothies. Use it to make dressings, dips, and nut butters too. Cleanup is fast, thanks to dishwasher-safe components. The Beast Mighty combines strength and style with ease. Whether you're meal prepping or blending your favorite drink, it handles everything smoothly. Portable, powerful, and beautifully designed, it's a top-tier option for everyday use. If you want premium performance without taking up space, the Beast Mighty 850 Plus delivers in every way. Number 4. VEWIOR 1500 watts Smoothie Blender. Blending just got better with the VEWIOR 1500 watt Smoothie Blender. This countertop unit is designed for speed and strength, effortlessly crushing ice and frozen fruit. With a powerful 1500-watt motor, you get smooth, creamy shakes, baby food, sauces, and juices in seconds. It includes two convenient-to-go cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces, so you're always ready to take your smoothie wherever you go. Compact and portable, it fits neatly on any counter without taking up space. Great for busy mornings or daily meal prep. With simple controls and easy clean parts, it's user-friendly and perfect for all experience levels. Whether you're looking to stay healthy, save time, or both, this blender has your back. Blending is quick, cleanup is painless, and the results are always delicious. If you want a powerful, portable blender that delivers smooth results every time, the VEWIOR is an excellent choice. Number 3. Ninja SS151TWISTI Blender DUO. Blend smarter and faster with the Ninja SS151TWISTI Blender DUO. This high-speed blender features a powerful 1,600-watt motor and smart torque technology that prevents stalling. Whether you're making smoothies, spreads, or sauces, it performs with precision. The 5-blend function versatility lets you do more from one machine. It includes a 34-ounce pitcher for family servings and 2 to-go cups for busy mornings. The sleek gray finish blends seamlessly with modern kitchen aesthetics. It handles tough ingredients like frozen fruits and nuts without hesitation. No chunks, no stirring needed, just smooth results every time. Smart torque ensures even heavy loads blend effortlessly. It's ideal for families, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone who values speed and quality. If you're tired of underpowered blenders, this is a game changer. For anyone looking to take their smoothie game to the next level, the Ninja Twisty Blender is an all-in-one solution. Number 2. The Beast Mini Blender Plus. Compact, stylish, and powerful. That's the Beast Mini Blender Plus. With a 600-watt motor, it's built to blend smoothies, shakes, dressings, and sauces quickly. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone short on space. It comes with extra vessels, lids, a straw cap, and reusable straws. Great for prepping drinks and sipping on the go. The mist color adds a cool, minimalist look to your kitchen setup. The precision blades blend ingredients to perfection. No chunks, just smooth results. It's dishwasher safe too, making cleanup super easy. Whether you're making a green smoothie or creamy salad dressing, this blender gets the job done. Great for health enthusiasts, meal preppers, or anyone looking for a quality mini blender. Lightweight but durable, it's a favorite for everyday use. If style, convenience, and performance are what you're after, the Beast Mini Blender Plus is a top-tier option. Number 1. Ninja Smoothie Blender SS101. Top of the list for performance and reliability. The Ninja SS101 Smoothie Blender. It boasts a 1200 peak watt motor that powers through frozen fruit, ice, and dense ingredients. Whether you're making smoothies, sauces, or protein shakes, this blender delivers creamy, consistent results in seconds. Its compact size makes it perfect for any kitchen, and it fits easily on countertops or in cabinets. Designed for daily use, it features durable, sharp blades and multiple functions, including mix, grind, and blend. The SS101 Foodie Personal Smoothie Maker comes with convenient travel cups, so you can enjoy your smoothie anywhere. Cleanup is quick, and the entire setup is intuitive to use. From frozen drinks to nut butters, this blender does it all. If you're serious about smoothies and want a compact but powerful machine, the Ninja SS101 is your go-to blender. High performance in a sleek, space-saving design. Thanks for watching today's top picks for the best mini blender for fast smoothies from JMS Guide. If you love quick, healthy drinks and smart kitchen tools that save you time, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more from JMS Guide. All product links and the latest prices are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Got questions or want us to review a product? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, blend smart, drink fast, and enjoy every smoothie with JMS Guide.